Okay, what is the plan for tonight? Well, it's kind of going to rain. Says that I have about a 2-hour window before it really starts raining. I have a friend who asked me if I could mill up 4 more 4x4s for him, and they want them 3.5 by 3.5 and 10 foot long. I don't have any of those already milled, so I knew about this yesterday, and I ended up milling because he wanted 2 16-footers, 3.5 by 3.5, 16 feet long. And so I ended up bringing the logs over yesterday, and then I milled the 16-footer up, but the rain just got way too hard, so I put the mill back underneath the roof and was hoping that today would be better. And right now it is, but I'll show you those 16-footers really quick. There it is. 16-foot 3x3s, 3.5 by 3.5. And then I got a 2x4 16-foot out of it, and I also got a 2x2 16-foot out of it. "16-foot 4x4 is an awful long 4x4. That's for sure. I hope he's happy with them. That's actually a 17-foot log that I used. So, yep, that's why these logs are sitting up here. They're ready to go. I just need to get one loaded on the sawmill and start milling. So my other camera's battery went dead. Grabbed the phone to finish this video up. So I ended up milling 3 of the 4 logs this evening. There's the slab pile. A couple of those were already here, but most of that is just from tonight. I was able to mill up 6 2x2s, various lengths, but the minimum length is 9 foot, because it was a 9-foot logs. So that was, and then I got 5 2x4s out of it. Couple I have 3 1x pieces. That top one right there has got a lot of wane in it, but that, you know, I counted as 2 1x pieces and then 1 scrap piece there. I got 3 1/2-inch live edge for at least, you know, he asked for 6-inch logs to be milled into 1/2-inch thick boards, leaving the live edge on them. I have a passel of those to do, so I got 3 of those that I was able to just save out of the scrap rather than making firewood out of it. I milled these last night, but there's my 16-foot 4x4s, and I got the 4 10-foot 4x4s milled tonight. So I got a little bit lucky and I actually beat the rain. I still have a little bit of cleanup to do, so I need to get that done. This is going to be a long video. Sawmill videos are always long videos, at least the way I edit them. Thank you for watching this edition of Not So Remote Alaska, and until next time, may God bless and keep each and every one of you. And with that, I am out.